Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be trying a new hair color, and that is XMONDO hair color. So if you'd like to see how I got my new hair, then just stay tuned. Okay, so XMONDO hair was kind enough to send me 4 colors. They sent over the shades Berry, Super Pink, Super Red, and Coral. All right, so I bleached my roots and kind of just rubbed the excess bleach all throughout my hair, so it just turned like a lighter color because I really want this color to take to the best of its abilities. Okay, so I wanted to jump on here real quick and tell you why I didn't bleach my whole head. I didn't want to create any further damage than what I've already got, and since we're staying in the same color scheme, I didn't really find it necessary. My hair's like all different kinds of colors, from like, I think it was orange before it was pink, and then it was pink, and then it was red, and then, yeah, so now we're here. I am gonna be trying the XMONDO. Let's see, which one do I want to try? I think I was like, do I want to do a little ombre moment? Oh, do I want to do a little ombre moment, or do I want to do the coral? I'm still like kind of debating. Do I want to do like some strands of coral and some strands of other colors, or do I want to just stick to one? I don't know. Okay, so I look super crazy because I have sectioned off my hair here. I need to clip that up better because I don't want that to get colored right now. But I have like all this in the back, and I think I'm gonna do this like a darker color than what's on the top, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so here I have Berry, and that is what is gonna go on this hair that is down. Okay, so I've got that first color down, and I really did not have to use like a whole lot, so I still have like a whole tub left. Love that. All right, pulled down some more hair, and I think I'm gonna use the Super Pink on this layer. And then the last layer is going to be the coral. All right, and the last layer has been put on. I'm gonna let this process for 20 minutes. We'll wash it out, blow dry it, and see what it looks like. And here's what my hair looks like after using the XMONDO hair color. I am in love. I think it turned out so cute. Granted, my hair would not curl today how I wanted, but let's just ignore that. But yeah, it is so beautiful, you guys. It's like the perfect ombre, and I am just absolutely in love. My hair is just losing its curl as we speak, girl, but it is what it is. Sometimes when I use other hair colors, they bleed together when I wash them or when they're just laying on top of each other, and I'm too lazy to use foil and all that other stuff. This did not do that. My hair feels so soft, so conditioned, so moisturized. I am absolutely in love. But yeah, you guys, go check out XMONDO hair color. I am absolutely in love with how my hair turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.